Hello there, guys. Josh here from Simeon and Maddy. You may not know me, but you might have definitely seen this channel. Yes, he is none other than Daniel Schiffer. Daniel Schiffer is a Canadian videographer and YouTuber who has been dominating the filmmaking space on YouTube with highly educational behind-the-scenes videos, editing tutorials, and been an inspiration for hundreds of thousands of videography enthusiasts all over the world. He never misses to wear his cap. Daniel Schiffer started YouTube back in 2009 when he was just in his schooling. Not to mention, he is also a skateboarder and was posting videos on skateboarding during his early days. He was able to grow his subscribers to around 12,000 at the time. Unfortunately, he had to pause his YouTube hustle when he joined college and wasn't able to continue posting videos. Worth mentioning here is that Daniel holds a marketing degree to his name, and I believe it is helping him a lot in understanding how business works in general and how he can position himself as a personal brand on YouTube. He always had that conviction. He can do great things in life, and especially YouTube has paved the way for it. Daniel started posting again in 2017. His first video, Cool Ways to Use the Xeon Crane, has gained over 150,000 views in a few days. To his surprise, the brand contacted him and he bagged a sponsorship deal from them, which made Daniel realize the true potential of YouTube, and the rest is history. As of creating this video, his channel has amassed over 1.8 million subscribers and has over 21 videos with over 1 million views. His popular and unique handheld filming style, coined Epic B-roll, helped him to stand out among his peers. In one of his B-roll pizza commercial breakdown video, has bagged over 6.1 million views. Daniel is a real beast when it comes to delivering what the audience wants. Audience satisfaction is playing a huge role in the algorithm, and I'll explain in a minute why his audience enjoy his content and keep coming back. And unlike some of the many successful YouTubers I have seen, his growth was rapid, and at one point of time, I really felt like he was actually influencing the YouTube algorithm. As he was promoted on YouTube's trending page, and YouTube gave him a Creator on the Rise badge. So how did he actually influence the YouTube algorithm? How did he learn YouTube as a profession? His biggest inspiration was Peter McKinnon.
That was a really interesting thing because the channel does have like 61,000-ish right now.
He shot a podcast with Justin Show when he had like 60,000 subscribers, where he talks about his early days and what inspired him to become a YouTuber. We'll link it down below if you wish to check it. During the early days, he started working for free to build his portfolio, which also helped him to put videos on YouTube. He used to contact restaurants and realtors to shoot creative videos for them. In his early days, he used to approach restaurants, offering them his videography services for free, and in return, asking them permission to use those footages on his YouTube channel. It is a brilliant strategy. Honestly speaking, not everyone will be willing to do that. It's a win-win for both sides. Now, let us see some of the tactics and strategies he is deploying to stand out and gain millions of loyal subscribers on YouTube. Before we dive into his strategies, let us first look at his monthly stats on Social Blade. Daniel gets a whopping 9.1 million views a month, which is a crazy number to be honest, since his channel has only 136 videos as of recording this. With an average CPM estimation of $4 per 1,000 views from my research across hundreds of channels in various niches, he makes an estimation of $35,000 to $40,000 a month. And this is just his AdSense income. His videos never misses a sponsor. He has collaborated with reputed companies like Fiverr, Storyblocks, Skillshare, Rhino, and more. He is an affiliate promoting their products and making good money there as well. I also checked his videos to subscriber ratio. This is a simple analytics I personally check to evaluate a channel's audience satisfaction rate and know its quality. Now, by dividing the total subscribers with the number of videos he has posted, he gains an average of 13,333 subscribers per video, which is extremely high on YouTube. And this shows the level of commitment he is putting on each of his videos. I would like to compare this with a common analogy. Jack Ma once said, "Don't worry about the money. Money follows the people. People should follow the dreams. Money will come. This is so true in YouTube because the YouTube algorithm is tuned to audience likings and shows content based on their interests. If you take care of your audience, the algorithm eventually rewards you. Moreover, this is what Daniel Schiffer has been doing exactly. Through his videos, he was able to connect with many top creators on the platform. Let us see some of the video topics he has posted and break it down to different categories. I would like to call it as Daniel's Viral Strategy Breakdown. These include answering common questions, informational content catered to his niche, behind-the-scenes videos, leveraging trending topics. His videos fall under edutainment category, which gives overall massive value to his audience. Now, let us look into this in more detail. Answering common questions related to his niche. Since his channel is the videography niche, most of his followers would be video enthusiasts, freelancers, and agency owners who actually make videos for a living. His video topics that talks about how do I get clients for videos, 7 tricks for sharp and crisp videos, 8 low-light video tips that work, how to make your boring footage look epic. Everyone would like to have their video look super cool, and Daniel showed in simple steps how one could turn a simple video into a professional cinematic shot. These are some of the most basic questions any budding videographer would have, and since his topic resonated with them, it has received huge love from the audience. Likewise, if we see his other topics, namely informational content catered to his niche, videos include 8 handheld filming tips, how to talk to the camera, 3 incredibly easy B-roll hacks, and finally, make money creating videos for trendy restaurants. In this particular video, he breaks the stereotype where often it is misunderstood that high-end gadgets costing tens of thousands of dollars is needed for shooting restaurant commercials. On the contrary, Daniel shows us how one can film better videos by improving their skills. He also gives industrial-level information on using one's videography skills and turning it into a lucrative business without the need of super costly equipment. Behind-the-scene videos. These include how I got this impossible shot for a drink commercial, how I plan shots and transitions, how I film and edit a coffee commercial. I really love this video. Honestly speaking, who doesn't love these videos? I definitely love these, and even tried some of his shots. And finally, leveraging trending topics. This video, testing out the Laowa probe lens. One channel, namely Macro Room, was doing some amazing stuff with the probe lens, and it was a new trend. Daniel utilized this trend, and his probe lens video went viral and gained over 6.9 million views so far. And his mega viral video, I paid a stranger $25 to edit my pizza commercial.
Yo, what? $25 for that? That's a steal.
Has taken the internet by storm, gathered over 14 million views in less than a year. Moreover, created a new trend which still holds the likings of YouTube audience. He identified this trend and doubled down on that. He made similar videos which also gained millions of views.
Oh no, that's not the $40 Foley.
A smart move. Overall, his content is educating as well as entertaining to his audience, which in YouTube terms is a very good signal to the algorithm. Also, he showed what's possible with his creativity without using expensive equipment with his handheld filming techniques and glued the audience with his out-of-the-world B-roll sequences. Putting his audience first and foremost and providing massive value has been his #1 tactic for crushing the YouTube algorithm and getting millions of views every month. The concept of law of reciprocity works really well for Daniel Schiffer. He constantly gives sheer value to his audience, which enables his audience to show their gratitude back by watching his videos and coming back for more. Be sure to check Daniel's channel. We hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, and until next time.